Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, viewers out there. We are reminding that you're watching Salam TV The Gambia. We are currently at the Banjul International Airport to cover the arrival of our honorable guests who should be giving lectures to the Plan in Your Heart. We're supposed to take place on Sunday, the 22nd of this month, 2024. Inshallah, our guest has arrived at the Banjul International Airport successfully. So we're going to give them the mic. Sir, what is your name, sir?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Yasin Sechikubo. I'm coming from Uganda with my colleague Raudha Nasif Luinda, and we have been invited by Brother Mustafa and the team, Plant the Quran in Your Heart. And we saw the previous events. The late brother Mufti Ax was here, and he's an inspiration to very many. And we hope to have the best experience in Gambia. I don't know why people say the Gambia, but I'm used to saying Gambia. I'll get to know from Brother Mustafa why it is called the Gambia. But I'm really excited to be here. May Allah give us the best.
MashaAllah, we are so impressed to receive you here. Is this your first time to come here?
Yeah, we used to study this in class. Gambia, Ghana, Sierra Leone, West Africa at large. We used to study it in class. So I'm really happy that I'm here. Allah has given me a chance to be here with my colleague, and we expect the best from Gambia.
So how is your preparation to the Plan the Quran in Your Heart? We're supposed to play on Sunday.
Of course, it is read hard, prepare something, and give the best to the audience, because they have also sacrificed a lot to be here, and we thank them, all the Gambian people. And do they call them Gambians, yes, like Ugandans? Yeah. Oh, we thank them all for being so cooperative to see that the event comes up. It's not easy to prepare something like this, but we give them credit. May Allah appreciate them, and may Allah give us the best in this earth and even in the hereafter.
As a guest, what advice do you have for the youth out there?
I always tell the youth that, it's internet. This is where these guys have seen us. So the internet has come, and it's what the youth use. So we have to use it properly, because the internet does not forget. It keeps legacies. If you use it wrongly, these are the same things they're going to post about you when you die. So you have to be mindful of Allah when you're posting anything. You have to be mindful of Allah when you're commenting something, because this is the very thing they're going to remember about you, and it's a legacy you're going to leave. And you have to be careful with a legacy you're going to leave.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
MashaAllah.